Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike MC trainer. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike MC trainer men's training shoes, and this pair is in the UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in the black-white colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid and peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike MC trainer in the black-white colorway. And let's lift out the left shoe first and focus on it. So just setting the box to the side, setting it on the left-hand side of the table and giving you a look at the Nike MC trainer. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear view of the shoe. And now taking a much closer in look at the details of this men's training shoe. And you can see that it does have a mesh upper cover along with some overlays around the mudguard at the front or toe area of the shoe for added durability. And as we move towards the midfoot area, we can see it does have a strap-like lockdown working together with the laces for added support and stability. And there is of course a Nike swoosh towards the heel area, and taking a look at the back to give you some sense of its shape. And on the inner side of the shoe, another Nike swoosh in white and with a smooth and glossy finish, low gloss finish on that white Nike swoosh. And once again we see the strap on the inner side working together with the laces for that added lockdown and support, and a little Nike swoosh in black against the matte detail. And so once again we see that cover or overlay over the mesh around the toe area of the shoe. And taking a look at the shoe straight on, we see once again another Nike swoosh at the tip of the shoe, and we can see the traction pattern as well, reaching towards the top in a horizontal grip pattern. So as we move along towards the top or toe box area, you can see the mesh consistent right throughout. And the Just Do It slogan. And as we move towards the rear or back of the shoe, and just having a proper look at the tongue as well. See in a vertical orientation the Nike print and the Nike swoosh. So taking a look around the tongue and ankle and heel collar of the shoe. So we can see that the tongue has a light and fluffy padding to it, and giving you a look at the details at the back of the tongue. And of course the textures right throughout the inside and around the ankle and heel collar with that very plush padding, as you can see, pretty much consistent right throughout the whole collar and heel area. And taking a look on the inner side or inside with the plain black sock liner and insole. Details right there. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands. But before that, actually, let's take a look at the sole of the shoe or bottom. So taking a look at the details right there. Right throughout we can see a variety of patterns with a horizontal border pattern around the outline of the outsole, and on the inner sides with a triangular-like geometric pattern on this rubber outsole. And we can see some flex screws as well, those white channels or deep grooves, and just tapping on the material, that sturdy rubber, to give you some sense of its construction, and just dragging my finger along its surface as well. So pretty rigid with a grippy texture right throughout. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the responsiveness of the shoe. So applying quite a great amount of pressure to twist and bend the shoe. And just tidying up the laces. And now let's take a look at the right shoe of the Nike MC Trainer. So just setting the left shoe down and moving the box back in frame and peeling back the wrapping paper to reveal the right shoe of the Nike MC Trainer. So just setting the box once again to the side and bringing the left shoe in focus. So once again we see the black-white colorway of the Nike MC Trainer men's training shoe. And now let's do a 360 rotation with this right shoe, so you have a full and clear view. And now taking some close-up looks at the details of the shoe. So once again, the mesh upper of the shoe with the added durability of the thin layer of overlay around the toes. And we can see the laces with the strap locked down around the midfoot area that blends into the heel and overall strap support around the rear. And we can see with the midsole just pressing on the sides does provide added support around the midfoot area as it extends upwards in that zone, along on the inside as well around the midfoot arch. So just pressing on the material as well to give you some sense of its details. And of course pressing down on that very chunky midsole around the heel. And just tidying up the laces and popping that tongue up. And once again giving you a look this time round in the inside of the right shoe. And of course, the sole of the shoe, once again, with that horizontal border right throughout for plenty of grip in very extreme and exaggerated and quite likely necessary points. And now let's take a look at the pair together. So picking up the left shoe, so you have a complete look at the Nike MC trainer. And taking a look from the front to the back side by side. And directly from the back. And of course, the soles of the shoes. And its overall shape. So that's the Nike MC trainer. Thanks for watching and happy training!